If you're arrested for driving under the influence, the investigation of your DUI doesn't end there. The police officer will usually ask you to perform a urine, breath, or blood test to determine your BAC, blood alcohol content. You can refuse to take the test, but this will likely result in a license suspension. Arizona has strict DUI laws and harsh penalties for people who drive under the influence in the state. Jail time, high fines, and a permanent mark on your record are some of the consequences you might face. Many people mistakenly think that you can't receive a DUI conviction without performing a blood or breathalyzer test, but you can still get a conviction based on other evidence, even if you don't comply with the test. Do you have to take a breathalyzer test in Arizona? In Arizona, even though you have the right to refuse a breathalyzer test, you should not do so. If a driver refuses a breathalyzer test, they are not preventing themselves from being arrested for a DUI, as an officer use other means to ultimately decide if they believe a driver is under the influence and arrest them. Instead, refusing a breathalyzer test only delays the process, and it will result in the following. First offense refusal to take the breathalyzer will result in a 1-year suspension of a driver's license. Second offense refusal to take the breathalyzer within 7 years of a previous one will result in a 2-year suspension of a driver's license. Third offense refusal to take the breathalyzer within 7 years of a previous one will also result in a 2-year suspension of a driver's license. An officer will perform a breathalyzer test to determine if a driver is over the legal limit of 0.08% blood alcohol level, BAC. Breathalyzer tests are not reliably accurate, and false positives occur often. If you have been charged with a DUI, there is a chance that the breathalyzer had an incorrect reading, and an experienced DUI attorney can use this as a strong defense for your case. A DUI charge is extremely serious according to Arizona law and can impact your future financially, personally, and professionally. It's imperative that you speak with a DUI lawyer as soon as possible if you've been accused of driving under the influence. They will help you decide whether to plead guilty, request a jury trial, or try to plea bargain to get lesser penalties. Our criminal defense team at Jackson White has a proven record of improving the future of our clients and taking control of these difficult situations. Call the Jackson White criminal law team at 480-745-1639 to discuss your case today.